What is up, peeps? TechVet Travie here with another review. So today we have something different. So today we'll be doing a review on a smartphone accessory, which is the Apexel 10-in-1 camera lens kit. I got this thing off of Amazon.com for about $21. I will provide the link down below so you guys look. But here it is. So it comes in a pretty cool little red and black pouch. Red and black is the best color combination. Boom! Don't at me. It's seriously the best color combination. Looks so good. But it also comes with a little clip on, so you can clip this onto a backpack, your belt loop, or whatever, and you have it on the go whenever you go anywhere. But enough talking. So what is inside this little case? So you open it up and bam, there are your 10 lenses. So this comes with 10 different lenses. There's 2 kaleidoscope lenses. There is a telescopic lens, a CPL lens, a starfish lens, starfish filter lens. What is this one? I forgot. And the flow filter lens. And this lens right here is a combo lens, which makes it 10 lenses. So technically, no, it's 10 lenses. I can't say technically. There's 10 lenses, so if you take this off, you'll get your 10th. So it is a 0.63x wide lens attached to a micro 15x lens. So this is the lenses. It also comes with lens caps for each of the lenses, which is pretty awesome. So you can cover these things right here. And then it comes with a microfiber cloth to clean off your lenses, your device, or what have you. And then the clip what actually attaches to your phone. So I'll show you guys this thing like up close, just what it does, and then I'll show you guys some of the footage that I took with some of the lenses attached. So here is the one of the devices I record videos on, my iPhone 6s Plus or 6 Plus. I don't know why I threw the S in there. I'm sorry. But so you just take this clip right here, and then if you look inside there, there's a little indentation. So if you clip that. Mind you, you have to do this without a case on, because if you do it without a case on, it won't fit correctly, then it'll just keep sliding. But if you do it without a case on and the camera for your phone has a little notch to it, once you clip this on like this, it'll stick to that notch, and then you can twist like that, adjust it so you won't see, you know, the camera angle. But you guys, I'm gonna take you through some of these lenses and just show you what they do. So the first lens we have right now is the fisheye lens. And it is a pretty cool lens. I love the fisheye effect. It looks so amazing with the little bubble and what it does. And also, if you catch it in light, it gives some other effects as well. So it's a very nice lens to have. Next up here, we got one of the kaleidoscope lenses. I just thought I'd try it off to show you guys what it looks like. It's pretty cool lens. I don't see a big use for it unless you're trying to do like a lot of effects. I mean, it is cool for effects, but I don't use it like regularly. I don't see a need to use it regularly, so I probably won't be using it. But there are 2 of those. They do different kaleidoscopes. One has more. One's more. I don't even know the term, but one just has more spears, I guess. That's the term I'm looking for. Next up here, we have the flow filter, which shows you the different flow. It adjusts the shadows. It adjusts the light so you can see different lighting in the settings. And last up here, we have the wide angle lens and the macro 15x lens. It's a pretty cool look. I like the way it looks. So you get a wider shot, and you also get a more zoomed in shot when you are doing video recordings. So like I said, this device is pretty cool. Only $21 to add functionality to your smartphones. You know, I want to get a digital SLR. I'm saving up to get another digital SLR. But for now, I think it's comfortable using these. And if you're on a budget and just want to have something pretty cool that you can hook up and get a sort of DSLR type look to your videos or photos, go out and get this package. 61 bucks. Look at that. It's like a spyglass. I put it on like this. Arr, matey! I'm like a pirate. Oh my goodness. But you guys, I hope you like this video. Wow, I look like Deadshot kind of. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna try to squeeze this on my eye real quick. I can't do it. But I hope you guys like this video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. And you guys subscribe for more content coming here soon in the future. Take care, y'all. Peace.